Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what matters, your current adventure rank and how much EXP you need. Do 4 daily commissions immediately and turn them in. These give reliable EXP and primogems as a bonus. Open the Adventurer's Handbook and prioritize ley line outcrops and bosses that drop adventure EXP. Once done, toggle on any active double EXP events and make sure your Battle Pass or limited time quests are queued so every run stacks toward AR efficiently. Now you set a repeatable loop. Start with commissions to get instant EXP, then hit 2 nearby ley line outcrops for 1,000 plus EXP each. Route teleport points to minimize travel. Next, push a world boss or elite mob that drops adventure EXP, using minimal resin strategies and co-op when possible to speed kills. Make sure you claim handbook EXP milestones and weekly boss challenges right after runs, because those complete smoothly when you maintain a tight route and consistent timers between daily resets. Finish strong by spending XP materials the moment you reach a rank threshold, so you don't bottleneck progress. Leveling characters is how AR rises faster. Use event exchanges or Mystic Offering to convert extra materials into usable EXP, and remember to claim adventure rank rewards from the Adventurers Guild. If your AR stalls, relog and check the server time zone and daily reset. Clearing inventory space and restarting the client often resolves quest or reward sync issues. If persistent, try co-op to bypass single-player pacing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.